Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Perfectly elastic demand changes everything when taxes hit the market. We are going to solve this economics puzzle quickly using 3 simple steps. Let's go! Start by visualizing a horizontal demand curve because the problem states demand is perfectly elastic. This means consumers are extremely sensitive to any price change and will not pay a penny more. When the government imposes a per-unit tax on sellers, the supply curve shifts upward. However, because the demand is perfectly flat, the market price cannot actually rise for the buyers. Consumers won't pay more, so the equilibrium price stays the same. Suppliers must bear the entire tax burden alone. Option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.